Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be making bread sausage omelette, easy to go recipe with a few ingredients, simple and quick yet healthy and tasty breakfast. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. These are the ingredients we require to make this dish. For this recipe, I've got 2 bread slices. Cut them into cubes and put this on the side. Cook the sausages with some water. Cut a sausage into bite-sized pieces and add a pinch of chili powder. Just toss it and keep it aside. Now let's make omelette. Beat 2 eggs with 2 pinches of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 green chili finely chopped. Whisk it for a while. Add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion, a tablespoon of finely chopped coriander leaves, place a pan over a medium heat, drizzle some oil, add the egg mixture into the pan. Now let's add the bread cubes on top of omelette. I'm adding the fried sausages. In this stage, use some cheese of your choice. I'm using Parmesan cheese. Press it gently so that the cheese will not fall apart. Now let's flip the omelette. Place a plate on the pan. Hold it firmly on the other hand and turn it carefully. Looks delicious. Carefully place it on the pan. Add some butter. Our sausage omelette is done. Bread sausage omelette is quick and easy to make and can be made in no time. Finally, add some cheese and black pepper powder. It's a perfect recipe when we need to make some snack for the evening and can also be served as a breakfast. Share this simple, healthy breakfast recipe with your dear ones and friends, and also share your feedback about this recipe in the comment section below. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Happy cooking!